What you doing, Brindley?
Fixing a fix on this truck.
What's the truck's name?
Giraffe.
Jawapi?
Just square this off. Just come stop it right here with a 2x4. Come up, over and down. Just
I'm about squaring this whole thing off across there.
no. Come up to the edge here and just up, over and down. Bring this over to
Follow
it.
that across. That ain't even bring that way up there.
No, just there.
So what kind of truck is Jawapi exactly?
Started life as an 08 F-250, 4-wheel drive, gas burner. It's gonna end life as what you see it.
So how long did it take y'all to build Jawapi?
4.5, 5 months from start to finish. It's been a long, drawn out project. A lot of time, a lot of effort.
I see you taking them seats out. What are y'all working on now?
Interior. We got the exterior done. Now it's time for the interior. I got
Saturday. Go into Southeastern.
yeah.
They doors off the side. We just throwing a couple of things. Grab them open.
You clean it out from under or what?
I'm just cleaning this out.
So what kind of motors in Jawapi?
Right now it's just a stock 5.4 liter Ford motor. Did a little bit of modifications to it, very minor things to be able to build the hood and make the hood work.
So does it cool really easy or does it overheat? Does it get
No,
hot?
it runs. It's the same motor that was in the truck, and it runs just fine. Eventually we're going to take it from the 5.4 gas burner, and we're going to put a little hot rod motor in it. It's not going to be a hot rod up and down the street, but it's going to sound mean.
Is there a fire extinguisher on board at all times? And
There's a fire extinguisher on board at all times.
So what kind of wood is this and where did it come from?
This is poplar wood. It come from my great grandfather's house. Be my father's father's father. It was the house was built back in '39, and nobody lived in it anymore. Had a fire in it. It burnt. So we went in it, tore it down, and repurposed all the wood.
So where can they follow Jawapi's journey?
We got a Facebook page, The Adventures of Jawapi. Follow our YouTube page, The Adventures of Jawapi.
The TikTok.
I'm not smart enough to know about TikTok, but you can follow her on TikTok too.